Hello everyone! Today we're diving into one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges of the past year, Blofin. This is a modern trading platform with a strong focus on futures, automation, and Web3. Blofin is rapidly gaining momentum thanks to its high liquidity, well-structured accounts, simple security settings, powerful trading bots, convenient copy trading, as well as its signature Web3 wallet and payment card. The exchange runs smoothly, orders are executed quickly, and the interface is clean and intuitive. Everything you need for comfortable trading and everyday crypto use. A special highlight for our referrals. With the promo code CryptoPump1000, you can get a futures bonus for deposits starting from $100 and even up to $1,000 bonus for deposits of 10,000 USDT plus VIP status for 30 days. More details about the bonuses will be shared at the end of the video. The link to the exchange is in the description below. Today we'll go through Blofin's full functionality step by step. Registration, deposits, trading, bots, copy trading, Web3 wallet, earn, security, and bonuses. Everything explained clearly so even beginners can follow along. Blofin is a modern crypto exchange that over the past few years has become one of the most convenient platforms for active traders. The platform emphasizes speed, deep liquidity, and simplicity of interface. Everything works fast, without lags, and navigation is intuitive even for first-time users. Unlike heavy, overloaded platforms, Blofin looks neat, runs reliably, and lets you jump straight into trading without lengthy setup. The exchange attracts traders who focus on futures. Blofin offers some of the lowest fees on the market and excellent order execution. Trades open quickly without slippage, even during sharp price movements. That's why scalpers and high-volume traders choose Blofin, because the difference in fees and execution really matters. Blofin is also actively expanding its ecosystem. It now features a built-in Web3 wallet, a one-click spot converter, automated trading bots, improved copy trading with full trader statistics, and a unified interface where all tools are right at your fingertips. The exchange feels clean and well organized. No unnecessary pages or hidden menus, everything is designed to be as clear as possible. Blofin is a platform for those who value speed, simplicity, and favorable conditions. It suits both beginners and active traders who want to trade comfortably, quickly find the tools they need, and work in a clean, stable interface without overload. Registration on Blofin? To start working with Blofin, go through a quick registration. The process takes less than a minute. Click the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link with the promo code CryptoPump1000, which activates bonuses and improved conditions. Choose your registration method, email or phone. Enter your details and create a strong password. Confirm your registration with the code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, you'll enter your personal account, where you can set up security and fund your balance. By the way, check the description. There are lots of useful links there. Security setup on Blofin. After registration, the very next step is securing your account. This is mandatory before making deposits or trading. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner and open the security center. Here you'll find different protection methods, but the main one is two-factor authentication, 2FA. Click Google Authenticator, select Bind, and scan the QR code with the app on your phone. Enter the 6-digit code, and 2FA is instantly activated. Make sure to save your backup key. You'll need it if you ever lose access to your phone. Once 2FA is enabled, login, withdrawals, and changes to important settings will only be possible through a one-time code which fully protects your account. Additional security settings. In the same section, you can also enable operation confirmations via email, a trading password, withdrawal protection. But the key point is that 2FA must be enabled. After that, your account is fully secure and ready to use. You can move on to the next steps. Verification, KYC on Blofin. Blofin allows you to use most features even without verification. But if you need higher limits, access to P2P, additional fiat options, or maximum security, it's best to complete KYC right away. The process takes just a few minutes. To complete verification, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select the identity verification section. Choose your country of residence. Select a document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically match the data. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes from a few minutes to an hour. Once confirmed, you'll see the status verified, and extended limits plus additional deposit withdrawal methods will be unlocked. Reminder, links to all top exchanges, wallets, and services with unique bonuses are left under the video. Depositing funds on Blofin. After registration and security setup, you can fund your account. Blofin offers convenient deposit methods, cryptocurrency, bank card, and online exchanges. The interface is simple, so even beginners can easily figure it out. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. This is the main method if you already have crypto. Hover over the top menu Assets and select Deposit. Choose a coin, for example USDT. Select the network, TRC20, BNB chain, or another. Copy the deposit address provided by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send funds to this address. Important, the sending network must fully match the deposit network. If you choose the wrong network, funds will be lost. After transaction confirmations, the cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your balance. Method 2. Purchase with bank card. Perfect if you don't yet have crypto and want to buy it directly. In the top menu, select Buy Cryptocurrency. Available options depend on your country, usually card payment or third-party providers. Enter the amount. Choose the coin, most often USDT, fill in your card details and complete the payment. The cryptocurrency will automatically be credited to your account. Method 3. Deposit via exchangers. A universal method if card purchase is unavailable or you want a better rate. Follow the link to the exchanger aggregator in the description below. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, select the cryptocurrency like USDT, TRC20. Choose an exchanger with a high rating and suitable rate. On the exchanger's site, paste your Blofin deposit address and make the transfer through your bank. Within a few minutes, the coins will arrive in your balance. Withdrawing funds from Blofin. Withdrawals on Blofin work the same way as deposits. Everything is simple and takes just a couple of minutes. Select the coin, choose the required network, paste the recipient's address, and enter the amount. Confirm the operation via 2FA and the transaction is sent for processing. After blockchain confirmations, the funds arrive at the specified address. If you withdraw via an exchanger, the process mirrors deposits. Create a request on the exchanger, paste the address, send the cryptocurrency, and receive payment to your card using the chosen method. Spot trading on Blofin. Spot trading on Blofin is a simple and straightforward way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current market price or at a price you set yourself. The interface is intuitive, so even beginners can easily understand it. In the top menu, select the Spot section. This will open the trading terminal with a chart, order book, and trade creation form. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT, or choose any other coin from the list. Two main order types are available. Market order, the trade is executed immediately at the current price. Limit order, you set your own price, and the order will be executed once the market reaches it. Enter the amount or number of coins and click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the asset instantly appears in your spot account. Futures trading on Blofin. Futures on Blofin allow you to open longs and shorts, use leverage, and profit, both from rising and falling markets. The interface is simple, execution is fast, and fees are among the lowest in the segment, making trading comfortable even for beginners. To open the Futures terminal, select the Futures tab in the top menu. A workspace will open with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Margin settings. Blofin offers two margin modes. Cross margin. Your total balance is used to cover all open positions. If a trade goes into loss, the system can use available funds from your account. This mode suits experienced traders because it increases flexibility but also raises risk. Isolated margin. Risk is limited only to the amount allocated for a specific trade. Even if the position goes against you, you cannot lose more than the allocated margin. This is the optimal choice for beginners. Leverage. On Blofin, leverage is available up to 150x depending on the trading pair. Beginners are advised to use minimal leverage, 2 to 5x, since the higher the leverage, the faster liquidation can occur. Order types on Blofin: market order, opens instantly at the current price, best for quick entry. Limit order, you set the entry price, the position opens only when the market reaches that level. Trigger order, stop trigger, used when entering on a breakout. It consists of two prices: activation price, when the order becomes active; execution price, the price at which you want to open the trade; stop loss and take profit. When creating a trade, always set protective levels. Stop loss, the level at which the trade automatically closes at a loss to limit risk. Take profit, the level at which profit is secured and the trade closes in profit. Both stop loss and take profit can be adjusted at any time after opening a position. After all settings are in place, click long if you expect growth or short if you expect a decline. Position management on Blofin. After opening a trade, it appears in the bottom panel of the terminal. This is where you manage your position. In this block, you can see all the key details: current profit or loss, liquidation price, margin, leverage, and the protective levels you've set. If you need to adjust your stop loss or take profit, simply click on these levels directly in the position panel and enter new values. This is convenient when you want to move your stop to break even or lock in profits at a higher level. If you want to increase the size of your position, just open another order in the same direction, long to long or short to short. The exchange automatically merges the trades and recalculates the position parameters. If you need to reduce the size, click close position and choose what percentage to close: 25%, 50%, or any other. The selected portion is instantly settled. And of course, you can fully close the trade in one click. It closes instantly with no delays. The Blofin Futures terminal runs fast and stable. Data updates in real time, and trade management works smoothly even during sharp market moves. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade properly, join our Telegram channel. We explain everything in simple language. The link is under the video. Copy trading on Blofin. On Blofin, copy trading is located in the top menu, the copy trading section. Here you can choose a trader with the best results and connect to their strategy. The section is designed to be as simple and clear as possible. At the top, you'll find two tabs. Leaderboard shows the most successful traders over recent periods. Top ROI, stable strategies, and large traders with high AUM, the total assets of everyone copying the trader. All traders, a full list where you can discover new strategies or traders with low drawdowns. For each trader, key metrics are displayed: 30-day profitability, maximum drawdown, total assets under management, and the Sharpe ratio. You'll also see an ROI chart, which helps quickly assess trading stability. To view a trader in detail, click the View button. This opens their personal page: trade history, statistics, performance charts, trading pairs used, and strategy details. Here you can evaluate how reliable their trading is and whether their style matches your risk profile. If the trader suits you, their page will have a connect button. Here you specify the amount you want to allocate for copying. Once activated, all their new trades will automatically be mirrored in your account. Flexible risk settings are also available. You can limit the maximum trade size, set a loss cap, or enable auto-stop copying in case of heavy drawdown. These parameters help protect your deposit and keep trading under control. The copy trading interface on Blofin looks neat, runs quickly, and allows you to choose a good trader and connect to a strategy in just a couple of minutes. Trading bots on Blofin. Blofin has a dedicated trading bots section, located in the Futures menu. Here you can launch automated strategies that run 24/7 and help you profit from market fluctuations. When you enter the section, the top panel shows overall P&L, assets, and bot runtime. Convenient because all statistics are visible at a glance. Below is the main block: Create My Bot. Here you'll find several types of strategies. Grid bot, a classic grid bot that buys during dips and sells during rises, designed for volatile coins. It operates within a set price range and collects profit from market swings. DCA bot, a dollar cost averaging bot, perfect for gradually entering a position. It buys the asset in small amounts, lowering the average entry price. Great for long-term accumulation of a coin. Signal bot, automatically opens trades based on signals, ideal for those who want to follow a strategy without manual entries with minimal execution delay. Twap bot, splits a large order into smaller ones to reduce slippage. Useful during high volatility or when you want to enter a position gradually. All four bots can be customized manually. Choose the pair, range, leverage, if futures, amount, and strategy parameters. After setup, click Create, and the bot starts running. AI bots on Blofin. Below is a separate section, ready-made AI bots which already have configured parameters and show real, verified profitability. Each bot card displays verified APR up to 250%. Bot type, grid, DCA. Behavior models, bearish, moderate, aggressive. Price step, grid take profit. Number of orders within the grid. These bots can be launched instantly. Just click Create Now. At the bottom of the page, there's a guide section where you can open instructions for each bot type, grid, DCA, and signal bot. Handy mini guides if you're using bots for the first time. All active bots are displayed in a separate tab. There you can stop a strategy, change settings, view statistics for each grid, close only profitable trades, or end the bot completely. Blofin's bots run reliably, the interface is fast, and the settings are intuitive. Blofin Earn. In the Earn section on Blofin, you can deposit your coins to earn interest and receive passive income. There are special products for new users with higher rates, and below you'll find the full list of coins, USDT, BTC, ETH, XRP, and more. Each coin shows its APR and product type. Flexible, you can withdraw at any time. Fixed, higher returns, but with a locked term. Simply choose the coin, select the term, and confirm the deposit. Interest is credited automatically. Blofin Web3 Wallet. Blofin has its own Web3 wallet, a convenient application where you fully control your assets. Private keys are stored only with you, and access to funds does not depend on the exchange or third-party services. The main feature of the wallet is instant cross-chain swaps. No bridges, no gas fees, no delays. You can swap crypto between networks in one click. For example, USDT to Sol or BTC to ETH without any technical setup. This really simplifies usage, especially for beginners. The wallet aggregates liquidity from top exchanges and DEX, so every swap automatically selects the best rate and optimal transaction route. The interface is simple. Send, receive, history, balance. Everything is clear and straightforward. Inside, there's a dedicated section for passive income and analytics. You can track daily returns, portfolio growth, asset distribution, and even enable staking or ready-made earning strategies directly within the wallet. The wallet is fully compatible with the Blofin card. You can store crypto, swap it, and spend it directly from the wallet. Just like with a regular card, Blofin Web3 Wallet is a safe and convenient solution for anyone who wants to store and use cryptocurrency without restrictions or complications. If you still have questions, join our private referral chat where we'll answer everything and help you out. The link is also under the video. Blofin mobile app. Blofin offers a convenient mobile app for iOS and Android, and in terms of functionality, it almost fully mirrors the web version. The interface is fast, lightweight, and uncluttered, with everything opening in a fraction of a second. The app includes spot trading, futures, trading bots, copy trading, deposit and withdrawal, earn, Web3 wallet, portfolio analytics. Orders are executed just as quickly as in the browser. No delays, lags, or freezes. You can open a trade, adjust stops, fund your balance, check bot statistics, or copy a trader in just a couple of taps. If you often trade from your phone, the Blofin app is truly convenient. Fast, stable, and fully functional even on low-end devices. Security on Blofin. Security on Blofin is maintained at a very high level. The exchange uses modern protection systems and operates stably even under heavy load. No lags or freezes interfere with trading. The main element of protection is two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA is required for account login and all important actions, ensuring that access to funds remains only with the owner. Blofin also regularly confirms proof of reserves, a public verification that the exchange holds all user assets in full and maintains a 1-to-1 ratio. In other words, your funds are truly backed in reserve. For enhanced security, you can enable a trading password, account activity notifications, and additional control levels. All of this helps protect assets even in unusual situations. Overall, Blofin provides confidence that your account and funds are under reliable protection, on par with leading global crypto exchanges. Blofin bonuses and referral program. Blofin offers generous bonuses to new users, and with our promo code CryptoPump1000, you unlock the full package of privileges. Bonuses are credited for the first deposit into a futures account. Deposit from 100 USDT, 20 USDT bonus. From 500 USDT, 100 USDT bonus. From 1000 USDT, 200 USDT bonus. From 2500 USDT, 500 USDT bonus. From 10,000 USDT, 1000 USDT bonus. The first 300 registered users additionally receive a $10 voucher, and all new users are granted VIP 1 status for 30 days. These are futures bonuses, and all profits can be withdrawn. Only the net deposit into the futures account is counted, and it must be held for at least 2 to 3 days for the bonus to be validated. Blofin also has a referral program. You can invite friends through your personal referral link in the account dashboard and earn a percentage of their trading fees. If you want to get the maximum benefits, register using the link in the description and enter the promo code to activate all bonuses and VIP status. If you haven't yet liked the video or subscribed to the channel, now's the perfect time. Links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are also under the video. So let's wrap it up. Blofin is a modern, fast, and convenient exchange that's perfect for both beginners and active traders. It offers a simple interface, deep liquidity, low fees, powerful futures, trading bots, copy trading, earn, a Web3 wallet, and a full-featured mobile app. The exchange runs stably, orders execute quickly, with no lags or freezes even during high volatility. In terms of security, everything is in order. 2FA, proof of reserves, and additional protection layers. If you want to get the most out of Blofin, follow the link in the description, register with the promo code CryptoPump1000, and claim your futures bonuses plus VIP status for 30 days. And if you have any questions, join our Telegram chat where we'll always guide you and help you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next ones.